Let's think about inventing the ultimate snack to munch on during the game. It'd be salty, it'd be crunchy, it'd be crispy, and it would have some serious savory snap. Well, guess what? This dream snack food already exists. It's called pork rinds. It's one of the world's oldest snack foods and dates all the way back to ancient China.
As long as people have been raising pigs, they've been eating pork rinds.
But what the Chinese started, Atlanta's Rudolph Foods Company may have perfected with their 60-year-old barbecue recipe. It all starts with smoked pigskin. The smoked skins arrive here as snack-sized nuggets called pellets.
We bring in over 10 million pounds a month, 120 million pounds a year of pork skin.
They may not look like much, but these smoky slices are the beginning of every great pork rind. But first, a special machine bounces the pellets up and down, separating them so they don't clump together when fried. The process is a finely tuned science. It has to be, because the science of fry is the key to the rind's crispy crunch.
When it goes in the fryer, they're cooked for just less than a minute, and then the moisture in the pellet starts moving around at high rates of speed and then explodes and puffs up to a 5 or 6 to 1 expansion ratio. It goes from this big to this big. That's what becomes that light, airy snack that everybody loves so much.
Now that they're cooked, there are 2 more steps before the rinds are ready for the big game.
From there, they go into a 3-deck cooler where we cool the pork rind down. And then right into the seasoner.
Although the basic process for making pork rinds is similar the world over, it's Rudolph's seasoning process that has made the company's rinds so popular.
Nothing goes better with pork rinds than barbecue seasoning.
And the recipe for this secret barbecue seasoning has not changed since founder Mary Rudolph created it over a half-century ago.
The seasoner is a special piece of equipment that is incredibly important to our flavored pork rinds because as they go in, we tumble them, the seasoning's applied.
It's a little bit hotter barbecue seasoning. It's not as sweet, and I think that appeals to a lot of people.
Not only does it have a great barbecue zest to it, but it's also got a great bacony pork flavor.
Seasoned to perfection, the rinds travel upwards to be packaged. The whole process is lightning fast.
From the time the pellet goes into the fryer to the time it goes into the bag is less than 4 minutes. So that bag is processed and packaged with the ultimate freshness.
Rudolph sells over 65 million bags of pork rinds a year all over the world.
In England, they're called scratchings. In Mexico, they're called chicharrones.
Whatever you call them, there may be no better snack to reach for as you settle in for the opening whistle.
Finally, pork rinds have their own official holiday. It is on Super Bowl Sunday, and it gives us an opportunity to show how pig skin and pig skins really go together.